Hi guys, I just wanted to talk through our work for this week, particularly the work that you will be for your at-home learning. When you are in class, you will be taking the NWA test. I think I mentioned that last week, so hopefully you can get that done in 2 class periods. When you are at home, I just want to walk you through a few things. I'll try to do it quickly. Of course, you're going to click on the folder that has this week's dates. You'll click on the at-home learning days. And the first thing you're going to see is a to-do list. That's going to kind of guide your work. I'm not going to give you daily assignments. This is just going to be the whole week or the whole couple of days. You need to read 10 minutes every single day that you are not attending school. I'm sort of having a hunch that people aren't doing that because there's not a lot of pages been read throughout the week. Then you are to log on to the No Red Ink website and complete the practices on the capitalization topics. I try to pick topics that are not all that hard for this first one, but I'm noticing a lot of people are not capitalizing, so I'm going to need you to start doing that. If you can't remember what it looks like when the practice is done, I've posted this video again. The first part is how to log on, and the second part is how to know that you are doing the practice and completing it. Then it says answer the friendship unit guiding questions. The hope is that this unit will get you to think more deeply about friendships. And we've already seen a couple of videos, that one on the ball pit and then the kid president one, and kind of done some fun memes. But right here it says friendship unit guiding questions, and I'm going to want you to click on that. And when you open the assignment, there are some directions here, and I want you to be able to explore a variety of texts and consider your own experiences to get smarter about what it means to be a friend. That's the whole point of reading, is to get, it's entertaining, but it's also to get smarter about different topics and to add it to what you already know or compare it to what you already know and your own values. So before we dig into this unit further, type your current thinking for each of the following guiding questions. These questions and your initial thinking will guide your discussion next week and throughout the rest of the unit. Be prepared to share with a partner, small group, and with the whole group. I want you to elaborate and explain your thinking. One of the biggest things I've noticed is people do not elaborate. A lot of people on our team are just writing the shortest answer possible, and that's not really doing a good job of doing any deep thinking. So I kind of put some criteria on here. Your answers should be thoughtful. Write at least 3 sentences for each question. Like, really think about them. For some of them, you should add ideas presented in the 2 videos we watched. Use complete sentences and correct your errors in capitalization, usage, punctuation, and spelling to the best of your ability. So for example, I will do that myself. So here are the questions on this column, and then what you know from your own experience and what you are learning from videos and texts in this unit. We've had 2 videos so far, so we're going to come back and add. So for example, how do you make and maintain or keep friends? You might think about the ball pit video and the kid president video, and also your own experience to write at least 3 sentences. What makes a good friend? Feel free to add examples from your own life. Why are some people excluded from friendships? Do people have to have friends? How do you know if you can trust a friend? How do you know they're being real with you? How do you recognize if a friendship is toxic or really unhealthy, and what can you do about it? So these are some of the questions that I've had from 7th graders, and they're tough. Friendship can be messy, and that's why we're talking about it. So again, I'm going to emphasize you need to answer in at least 3 sentences, and then we're going to go back and add to these answers at the end of the unit. So if I go back to our list, you've got reading, the No Red Ink, these guiding questions, and then at least once this week, I want you to go back to your Read 10 tracking page in the purple reading resource folder and add to, for this week, add to that. I should have 1 or 2 different teacher comments on there as well, and you're getting 10 points every single week, so make sure you do a good job on that. So that wraps it up for your at-home learning. You can work at your own pace. Do it, all of it on Thursday, all of it on Friday, or Monday or Tuesday, whichever your days are, and get it all done by the end of the day Friday. Have a great week, you guys.